Plus 2 Botany, Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production, Chapter 3, Multiple Choice Questions. It includes 20 questions. First one, it is calculated that more than 70% of world livestock population is in India and China. The contribution to the world farm produce is options. Option A 15, B 25, C 35, D 40. Here the best option is 25. Second question, the bird flu disease is caused by option A bacteria, option B virus, option C fungus, option D none of the above. Here the best option is viruses. H5N1 causes bird flu disease. Number 3. Inbreeding is the mating of more closely related individuals within same breed for the generation of option A 6 to 8 years, option B 4 to 6 years, option C 8 to 10 years, D after 10 years. Here the best option is 4 to 6 years. Number 4. Due to the close breeding, fertility and productivity is reduced. It is overcome by the best method of option A crossbreeding, option B outcrossing, option C interspecific hybridization, option D none of the above. The best option is outcrossing. The productive form is called outcross. Number 5. The male and female animals of two different species having desirable features are combined to get a sterile progeny in option A crossbreeding, B outcrossing, C interspecific hybridization, D inbreeding. Here the best option is interspecific hybridization. Female horse and male donkey, it's a cross, its mating results the sterile hybrid called a mule. Next, question number 6. In multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology, MOIT, fertilized eggs are recovered non-surgically and transferred to surrogate mothers at the stages of option A 8 to 32 celled stage, option B 6 to 8 celled stage, option C 8 to 12 cell stage, option D 32 64 celled. Here the best option is 8 to 32 cell stage. Next, 7th question. Beekeeping can be practiced in any area where there are sufficient bee pastures of some wild shrubs, fruit orchards and cultivated crops. Of these, the best common species used is option A Apis indica, option B Apis dorsata, option C Apis mellifera, D none of these. Here the best option is Apis indica, the most common species used. Question number 8. Blue revolution is connected with the production of option A cereals and millets, option B fish, option C honey, option D milk. Here the best option is fish. It is connected with the production of fish and its products. Question number 9. Sonaliga and Kalyan Sona are high yielding and disease resistant semi-dwarf variety of option A rice, option B wheat, option C millets, option D bean. The best option is wheat. Next, question number 10. Red rot of sugarcane and late blight of potato is an example of disease. Option A bacteria, option B fungus, option C virus, option D nematode. The best option is fungus, fungal diseases. Next, 11th question. The variety of cowpea resistant to bacterial blight is option A Pusa komal, option B Pusa swarnim, option C Pusa gaurav, option D Pusa savani. The best option is option A Pusa komal. Next, 12th question. The variety developed by mutation breeding resistant to both yellow mosaic virus and powdery mildew is option A mung bean, option B parbani kandi, option C himagri, option D karen rye. Here the best option is mung bean, the variety developed by mutation breeding. 13th question. The shoot and fruit borer resistant variety developed in the crop okra, option B brassica, option C cauliflower, option D flat bean. The best option is option A okra. Next one, 14th one. Ayaret is the semi-dwarf variety of option A wheat, option B rice, option C cowpea, option D maize. Semi-dwarf variety of rice. Next, 15th one. The smooth-leaved and nectarless cotton varieties are mainly resistant to option A jassids, option B bollworms, option C aphids, option D fruit borer. Here the best option is bollworms. 16th one. Breeding for improved nutritional quality is undertaken with the objectives of improving protein content and quality. Option B oil content and quality, option C vitamin content, option D all of the above. Here all options are correct, hence the option D all of the above. Next, 17th one. Wheat variety Atlas 66 having the content of option A vitamin, option B protein, option C amino acid, option D iron. It is rich in protein, option B the correct answer. Next, 18th one. More than 25% of human population is suffering from hunger and malnutrition. To solve this crisis by an alternative sources of single cell protein mainly obtained from option A Ulothrix, option B spirulina, option C mushroom, option D nostoc. Here the best answer is single cell protein spirulina. It can be cultivated in wastewaters and can reduce environmental pollution. 19th one. Plants genetically identical to the original plant developed through tissue culture are option A soma clones, option B explant, option C bulbils, option D pure lines. Here the best option is soma clones. They are morphologically and genetically identical to the parent plant. So such offsprings are called soma clones. Next, 20th one. Somatic hybrids are obtained by option A 2 cells of different species. Next, option B 2 protoplasts of different species. Option C artificial hybridization. Option D mutation breeding. Here somatic hybrids are obtained by the fusion of 2 protoplasts of different species. Option B is correct. Okay, thank you.